What is up, YouTube? It is I, clutchmarles. I'm back. We got some work done to the Monte Carlo. Here we go. We had to piece this cage together. We still have not cut the cage out of the RCR car. So we had all this laying around. So we used what we could. But that's pretty much how the cage is going to look. Next up, get the battery and the gas tank bolted down, shifter. That's the to-do list. But we have even better news than all that. My engine builder done messaged me and said, "Yo, your engine's done. Come pick it up." So we about to make a drive. Here we go. On our way to get the engine, we stopped and went inside this giant hotel. I imagine this is what the inside of a titty looks like. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That does sound cool. Remember that story we read as kids about that troll that lived under a bridge? I think I found his house. So let's look at what we've accomplished. The fuel cell is bolted in. It's just waiting for my center plate. Shifter is welded in. Battery box is bolted in. I've started welding the door shut. I get 12 inches per seam. Those are just two 6-inch long. I think they're alternator bolts. We got one there. Gotta weld one more down low. Then we'll be welding up the driver's door. Putting a bumper on this, putting the engine in, creasing it. Let's go. Driver's side of the car, I plan on using some door strapping just because there's so much dents and it's pushed in. And then the front quarter looks like that. I don't really want to try to stick bolts in there and make that work, so we'll just pull it out as much as we can, put some door straps on it. Let's go. All right, so started working on this front fender. Pretty much stuck a pry bar in here, pulled until we got what we're looking at now. This is close to flush, so I'm gonna weld my plate on here, beat it onto here. That's gonna strengthen up some of this. Do the same thing up here. I'll probably start my plate over here since it's lower, beat it onto this, and then I'll start working on this monster. Okay, so, hey Tesla. We got the bottom plate on, we get the top plate on, and now we have this guy to deal with. So my plan is to weld my plate right here because this piece sticks out and this one is kind of where it should be. So by welding the plate here, when we start to smack it over, hopefully it pulls all this out and lays flat. At least that's the theory. Make it better than new. If not, you know, it's a derby car and it'll be okay. See if we can do this one-handed. We got a little bit of weld on there. Well, it didn't bring it out as much as I wanted it to, but as you can see, it is slowly bringing it out. We'll keep welding, keep beating, see what we can come up with. That is what it looks like in the end. It will probably get destroyed, come off, but we tried, and that's all you can ask for. All right, we got the doors welded up. The bumper is currently on. It's not finished. I get 4 bumper straps, I believe. Gonna put them on, and then shave this bumper down a little. Tomorrow, get the engine in the garage, get it rebuilt, go film a derby. Might go live on YouTube, TikTok, I don't know. Has to see how my service goes. Find me on OnlyFans. I got like a 10% discount for like the next 10 people or whatever that sign up. Somebody was joking around and asked if I was going to do Gay Pride Month, since, you know, I have a business. Use the promo code GAY for 7% off my website. That's GAY. Go check it out. Link in bio. Hit like, hit subscribe. We got less than a week. Here we go.